might be hard to hear me. What he's doing is he's bringing these big pieces of wood right here, setting them up on top of that. I'll go over there and show you. It'll be for your roof. The roof on your house, you know how it's slanted. Like up here, you can see how it's slanted down, so rain and snow and everything falls off of it. You'll see the guy right here, he's hooking stuff up with that ball and crane. See, he's lifting them up. See this big truck. That big crane. See how he lifts it up. You see this guy right here, he has a rope, so he can keep it there while that crane, that big truck lifts it up, and then he'll turn it. So that piece goes up on top of the house. If you watch this guy right here, he's pulling on this rope. So this piece stays right here, and now they want that other piece to swing back like that. And it'll help with the roof. And then you'll see these guys up top here, they have nail guns and screw guns, and they'll mount it. Just like that. That big crane swung and gave it to him. Now the guy with the rope took it off on the ground. The guy on the ground took off his rope. And now these guys, you'll watch them nail it in. So it stays put. See that big gun he has? Boom. Shooting the nails in. And there's a guy up top in the middle, if you watch him, and one on the other side. Those guys nail it in so it stays straight, even with the wind. You can see the crane still hooked up, so if he drops that one, it'll stay put. Oh, there he goes. He's releasing it. Now the crane ball's going up. And you see he put a little piece of metal in here that holds us all together up top. And so now they got the next one ready. And the guy that is operating the crane, here I'll let you watch him hook it up real quick. He's going to hook up the next piece. He's hooking that next piece, see right there on the hook, so he can lift it up. And I'll show you where the operator is. He's hard to see, but he's on this truck. He just stood up. Way over here, he just stood up right there in the gray. He's the one that makes it go up and down. And then all these workers right here put it in, and you can see all the ones they've done so far on top of that roof. So when they put wood on top of that roof, everything will slide off. Oh, the wind. They're getting that all fixed up. I'll show you the roof behind me because they already did it. And see this roof here, how it's slanted. So they put all those beams in, and then they put the wood on top, so if it rains or snows or whatever, it just slides right off the side there and it comes down. And I'll show you a picture of the other guy in just a minute. So he puts one in there. That ball comes down, see how he hooks it up right there? He puts it right in the hook. Now that driver knows, and he can just lift it up for him. He's got two of them. And then the guy in the yellow shirt, see, he has a rope in his hand. That's so he can keep that edge where he wants it. And then this king can move it around. See, there it goes, twisting the other way. And watch the guy in the yellow shirt. He has a rope that he holds on to. See, to make sure that side stays right there. And he hands it off to these other guys. And then they nail it up there and it stays. Okay, so all those guys have power tools and air tools. I'll show you right over here how they get all their power and air. Big truck, you see those bars that go out? Right there and over here. Make sure the truck stays nice and sturdy so it won't tip over. And then they get their air power right here and their electricity right here. Because they're building a new house, there's no electricity yet. Since there's no electricity for their tools, they have to bring their own. Alright, I'm going to show you guys a couple more. And then this roof right here, you can see, this is what they're building. So they put those trusses in, and you have all this wood here, so stuff just slides off. Doesn't sit up on top of your roof and leak. And then these roofs right over here, they're getting ready to put the shingles on. And here we go, there's a guy digging a hole right here with the tractor. See right here? He's digging a small hole right here, filling it in. Okay, hope you guys had fun. There's this crane right there.